Do you want to know how you can change your profile picture on your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your profile picture on your Temu account. Go ahead and open temu.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Now what you need to do next is click on your profile over here and click on the edit button. After you click edit, you can see this photo option. Click on this photo and you can choose the photo of your choice. And after you choose it, you can even minimize it, or you can zoom in or zoom out of it. Click save, and in a while you can notice that you have changed your profile picture on your Temu account. And there you go, your changes has been saved. So let me teach it to you once again. Open Temu, hover around your profile, click on your profile and then click on this edit option. After you click on this edit option, click on the photo icon which is over here. Choose your image and then you can click save. This way, you can change your profile picture on your Temu account quite easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.